Buongiorno from the stunning Amalfi Coast, everyone. This sun-drenched paradise is one of Italy's crown jewels, and it's easy to see why. From the moment you set foot here, you'll be enchanted by the dramatic cliffs diving into the azure Mediterranean and the vibrant villages perched on the hillsides. Prepare to bask in the Mediterranean sun, indulge in mouth-watering Italian cuisine, and immerse yourself in the allure of the Amalfi Coast. So lace up your walking shoes, bring along your adventurous spirit, and let's explore the heart of this Italian treasure. Our adventure begins in the mesmerizing town of Positano, where the cliffs cascade into the sea, creating a seamless blend of land and water. This enchanting village is the crown jewel of the Amalfi Coast, with every corner revealing a new delight. Picture this: pastel-colored houses stacked in a harmonious array, connected by winding staircases and narrow alleyways, all overlooking the sparkling Mediterranean. The vibrant hues of the buildings create a stunning contrast against the deep blue sea. As you wander through its charming streets, you'll discover quaint boutiques offering handmade leather sandals and elegant linen clothing. Each shop is a treasure trove of unique finds, reflecting the town's artisanal spirit. Step into a family-run trattoria and savor fresh seafood pasta, seasoned with the essence of the sea and the warmth of Italian hospitality. The rich aromas and exquisite flavors will make your meal an unforgettable experience. Spend your afternoon basking on the beach, the sun gently warming your skin as you dip into the crystal-clear waters. The gentle waves and serene atmosphere create the perfect setting for relaxation. Positano is a haven for relaxation and rejuvenation, where the beauty of your surroundings envelops you. The scenic views and tranquil environment offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Be sure to capture the magic with your camera. Every corner of Positano is a postcard waiting to be sent. The town's picturesque landscapes and charming details are a photographer's paradise. This is a town that will steal your heart, leaving you with memories as vibrant as the bougainvillea cascading down its sun-drenched walls. Positano's beauty and charm will linger with you long after you've departed. Our next stop is the enchanting town of Amalfi, the namesake of this mesmerizing coastline. Once a formidable maritime republic, Amalfi's rich history is etched in its grand architecture and the whispers of its seafaring legacy. The vibrant heart of Amalfi pulses in the lively Piazza Duomo, crowned by the majestic staircase leading to the awe-inspiring Amalfi Cathedral. Step inside this architectural gem and marvel at its intricate mosaics, soaring arches, and the palpable sense of history in every stone. Today, Amalfi thrives as a bustling hub with shops brimming with local crafts, cafes alive with chatter, and the delightful scent of lemons, the region's cherished fruit wafting through the air. Indulge in a scoop of refreshing lemon gelato, the perfect treat to savor on a warm Amalfi day. Nestled high above the shimmering Amalfi Coast, the enchanting town of Ravello unveils a mesmerizing panorama of the azure coastline. Amidst this picturesque setting, you'll discover Villa Ruffolo, a 13th century gem celebrated for its stunning gardens. As you pass through the villa's gates, a vibrant tapestry of colors and fragrances warmly welcomes you. Wander through the terraced gardens, where each level reveals a fresh, captivating view of the breathtaking coastline below. It's no surprise that throughout the ages, artists, writers, and musicians have drawn endless inspiration from these magical surroundings. The legendary composer Richard Wagner, enchanted by Villa Ruffolo's beauty, found the muse for his opera Parsifal right here in these gardens. To truly appreciate the Amalfi Coast's breathtaking allure, take to the water, rent a boat and glide across the azure Mediterranean, feeling the invigorating sea breeze and the warm sun on your skin. Uncover hidden coves and secret beaches, accessible only by boat. Plunge into the crystal-clear waters where the sun's rays dance on the seabed. Venture into grottos carved into the cliffs, their walls shimmering with a magical light. Or join a guided boat tour and let local experts reveal the secrets of this enchanting coastline. Whether you take the helm or simply relax and enjoy the journey, a day spent exploring the Amalfi Coast by boat is an unforgettable adventure. No adventure to the Amalfi Coast is truly fulfilled without savoring its exquisite culinary treasures. From the ocean's freshest catch to the invigorating zest of limoncello, the Amalfi Coast offers a symphony of flavors. Begin your day with a classic Italian breakfast of freshly baked pastries and robust coffee, all while soaking in the serene sea views. For lunch, delight in a plate of spaghetti alle vongole, where perfectly al dente pasta meets a savory sauce of fresh clams, garlic, and a hint of chili. As the sun sets, dine at a charming trattoria perched on a cliffside terrace with the coastline's twinkling lights creating an enchanting atmosphere. And naturally, no meal on the Amalfi Coast is complete without a sip of limoncello, the region's iconic lemon liqueur. Nestled in the hills above Amalfi, Scala is the oldest town on the Amalfi Coast, a hidden treasure that many travelers miss. Amidst the chestnut forests and terraced gardens, Scala offers a serene escape where time seems to pause, inviting you to relax and reconnect with nature. Stroll through Scala's narrow streets, their cobblestone paths polished by centuries of footsteps, each step resonating with the echoes of history. Marvel at the ancient churches and rustic houses, their weathered facades telling tales of bygone eras, stories of faith, community, and resilience. For the adventurous, Scala is a hiker's dream with trails that cater to all levels of experience. Lace up your boots and embark on trails that weave through the hills, leading to hidden chapels, panoramic viewpoints, and the ruins of ancient castles, each with its own unique story. Scala offers a glimpse into the heart of the Amalfi Coast, where history, nature, and tradition blend to create an experience that is both timeless and unforgettable, leaving a lasting impression on your heart and memory. Get ready to be mesmerized as we venture to the Fiordo di Furore, a stunning fjord that slices through the Amalfi Coast. Here, majestic cliffs dive into the turquoise waters, crafting a scene of unparalleled beauty. The fjord's name, Furore, is inspired by the thunderous roar of waves crashing against the cliffs, their echoes resonating through the narrow chasm. Park your car along the coastal road and descend the steps to discover the fjord's secluded beach, a hidden sanctuary of peace. Immerse yourself in the crystal-clear waters with the cliffs standing tall above you like ancient sentinels. The Fiordo di Furore is a realm of raw, untamed beauty, a testament to nature's power to evoke awe and wonder. Fasten your seatbelt and prepare for an extraordinary adventure along the Amalfi Coast Road. Renowned as one of the most picturesque drives on the planet, this serpentine road clings to the cliffs, revealing breathtaking vistas at every twist and turn. Whether you rent a car or hop on a local bus, prepare to be mesmerized by the ever-changing coastal panorama. As you journey, make sure to pause at the numerous viewpoints along the route. Snap photos of the pastel-colored villages that cling to the hillsides, the shimmering turquoise waters below, and the lush vegetation cascading down to the sea. The Amalfi Coast Road is more than just a route from one place to another. It's an experience in itself, offering a chance to savor the coastal beauty at your own pace. Our adventure now leads us to the enchanting Vietri sul Mare, a town celebrated for its dazzling ceramic artistry. Here, amidst the vibrant houses and the refreshing sea breeze, you'll uncover a realm of creativity and masterful craftsmanship. Vietri sul Mare's ceramic legacy stretches back to the 15th century, and today the town bursts with a kaleidoscope of colors, with shops and studios brimming with handcrafted treasures. Stroll through the charming narrow streets and marvel at the brightly painted tiles that grace the walls, the whimsical figurines that playfully peek from shop windows, and the intricate plates and bowls that adorn the shelves. Step into a local workshop and watch the artisans in action, their skilled hands transforming clay into exquisite works of art. Select a unique piece to take home as a cherished souvenir, a beautiful reminder of your journey to this vibrant and artistic town. As our journey nears its end, we find ourselves reminiscing about the unforgettable moments we've shared. Our final adventure awaits. A hike along the legendary Path of the Gods, a trail that has beckoned countless explorers before us. This ancient path meanders along the towering cliffs above Positano, offering awe-inspiring panoramic views of the Amalfi Coast that seem to stretch into eternity. Lace up your hiking boots, bring plenty of water, and get ready to be enchanted by the natural wonders that lie ahead. As you hike, the fragrance of wildflowers and herbs fills the air, a sensory delight that enhances the beauty surrounding you with every step. The trail leads you past terraced vineyards, lemon groves, and forests of chestnut and oak trees, each contributing to the rich tapestry of the landscape. From your lofty vantage point, you'll enjoy a bird's-eye view of the coastline, from the pastel-colored houses of Positano to the distant Lee Galley Islands shimmering on the horizon. As the sun begins its descent, casting a golden glow over the landscape, the sky transforms into a vibrant canvas of colors. Find a cozy spot and witness a sunset you'll cherish forever. A perfect conclusion to a perfect day. The Path of the Gods is more than just a hike. It's a journey through time and nature. It's a spiritual experience, an opportunity to connect with nature, challenge yourself, and find tranquility in the beauty that envelops you. Behold the Amalfi Coast in all its glory, where the earth meets the sky in a breathtaking display of natural splendor. And there you have it, dear travelers, the enchanting Amalfi Coast. From the picturesque villages perched on cliffs to the mesmerizing azure waters of the Mediterranean, this is a place that will linger in your heart long after you've bid arrivederci. Savor the taste of fresh limoncello, breathe in the fragrant bougainvillea, and listen to the soothing symphony of waves crashing against the shore. Until our next adventure, keep the spirit of exploration alive.